So Aldi on its special buys is selling this LED garden fountain for £13. So let's take a look and see if it's any good. So this is the Garden Bright LED solar fountain, riffled light grey, warm white lighting with various attachments with different water features, solar powered for outdoor use. These came in different colours. There was a cream, a grey, there was ruffled and smooth. So I chose this one. This is the light grey ruffled. So 2-year warranty and setup instructions here. Pump IPX8, solar panel IP44. So let's have a look and see what we've got in our box. So first of all, this is our container. We've got attachments, the pump, we've got different attachments. This is for the solar panel light. We've got some plastic bits and also the solar panel. Some instructions. There we go. So we've got quite a bit of wire here, and that does clip onto the USB. So let's take all these compartments out and let's have a look and see what we got. So we've got the bowl, we've got the lid with the lights, the pump, we've got this LED panel, we've got these plastic bits, which I don't know what they're for, and we've got a cradle, which is for the solar panel, and then we've got an envelope with some bits and pieces. So these are the nozzles. We've got that one, and that one. So 3 different nozzles. Then we've got some fitting screws, maybe another nozzle to go directly upwards. So tiny instructions: position on sun, solar panel, no sun. Very clear. So this is the instructions: solar panel, project review. There we go, quite basic. So not quite sure what these are for. Let's check. Oh, that's the stand. That's just for the stand. So 3 of those. There we go. 1, 2, 3. So that's the stand. The pump will sit in there. The cover goes on top of here. The cable goes through there. That is our pot. We've got a nozzle we can stick on top of the pot. And then we attach the cable using the socket. We've got quite a big cable, so we can put the solar panel quite a distance away from the pot. So that's the wire that we got. So it's quite a long wire. We can mount this onto a pole so we can get some height. So let's add some water to our pot. place the pot. So we've got an on-off switch, on, and face it to the sun. Well, there's a trickle. Let's see if we need some more water. So we're adding some more water. There's quite a bit in there now. Let's give that a go. Right. What do we think? Oh, there we go. That's better. We stop the pump. As soon as we stop the sunlight, it will stop. So there's no battery kept in the pump. Show the sun. Let's try another nozzle. Which one we not use? This one. To the sun. And then all last one of all is this little single one. Oh. So as it's quite windy, so it will show exactly to the sun and it will shine. But as soon as you turn it off, it's off. So, what do you reckon? So we found a darkened area where we can see the light. The solar panel is out through the back. That's about as dark as we're going to be able to get it to show the light. So that's a review of the Garden Bright LED solar fountain. Well, it's quite a nice little piece to put on the garden. The water is now actually staying in the pot. A little bit is coming over, but it is a windy day. You do need the solar panel to perform. As soon as the sun goes out, it's not going to work. It has got a nice long cable, so you can put the solar panel quite high so it doesn't get obstructed. As soon as there's an obstruction, it does stop. And we have the lights, but if this is dark, it's not going to show up any lights. So I'm just going to put this maybe in the dark so we can see if it what's like when it's lit up. But overall, about 7 out of 10. It's a nice little feature. I do like the solar fountains. I've got 2 other solar fountains on my channel, so check those out from Aldi, and that'd be great. So if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. If there's any other features that you'd like mentioning, then give us a shout in the comments. What do you think about this water feature? And what water features do you have in your garden? That'd be really interesting to know. So click this channel here. I can put this down and YouTube will recommend a video that you'd like to watch.